Greetings, folks. It's Sarah. Today I am on beautiful Lake Pend Oreille in Sandpoint, Idaho. I hauled out 12 of my favorite cook stoves 3 hours from Kalispell, Montana, out here to Idaho to set them up on this lake and do some epic footage for you guys today. Now, I absolutely love this because it's very rare that I actually get to have like multiple stoves burning at the same time. Right now, I think you can see somewhere between 3 and 4 stoves in the shot of the video you're watching. For 2 days, I had all 12 of my stoves burning and it was lit up and it was awesome. So check out that footage. But today I am here to do a product comparison for you guys between the MBS Olympia and the ABC Mini. So I'm going to go ahead and talk to you about some of the differences today. Now, the Olympia model is available in the soapstone finish, and the concept does not have any stone finish option. So over here, the Olympia is available in soapstone. It's available in a burgundy and a black color. Over here on the Mini, this is shown in what we call gray. It's available in a gray. It's available in all black. It's available in a stainless steel, where you have nice little stainless steel corners in the front, kind of like the chrome on the top, and then the sides would be black. And then we do have a full burgundy option as well, where the whole side panel would be burgundy. So if you like those kind of colors, the concept is an awesome stove. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the differences in the overall models. Both of these models are actually capable of burning both wood and coal. They are pretty comparable, I would say, in the overall firebox size. Both models are going to burn somewhere between about 7 to 8 hours, depending on the type of fuel that you're burning. Both models do have a baking oven. The baking oven here inside the Olympia is going to be an enamel finish, and inside this concept here, it's going to be a stainless steel finish. Now, the concept does have the lip for your baking oven rack higher up. The concept comes with a rack, and the Olympia comes with an enamel pan, so I guess it kind of depends what you're looking for there. I do think I prefer the oven over here on the Mini. That's just my personal preference. I also feel like the sizing ratio might be a little bit better because it feels a little bit wider to me. Overall, both models are pretty simple to operate. You have your top damper control located for your air wash here on your Olympia. And then you have 2 damper controls on the Mini. You have your primary air located here at the bottom and your secondary air as well. So your secondary is going to control your air wash. I do have different videos where I go into more depth, like temperature readings, so you can see that. Both of these models have no problem getting the ovens up to 500 degrees, so you should have no problem baking overall. In general, the major difference is going to be that the MBS products, they are not UL or ULC listed. So if you have homeowners insurance that could potentially cause a problem for you, you definitely want to check with your insurance company before considering this model too seriously. Over here, the Air model is going to be both UL and ULC listed for the USA and Canada, fully covers North America. This model is also going to be tax credit qualified. So that's awesome. We have a 30% federal bio tax credit available in the United States at this time. So be sure to look into that. That is a huge selling point on the Mini. Overall, both models burn excellent. I really love either of them for a tight, small space. The Mini does have the ability to add in an outside air kit that the Olympia also doesn't offer. So I would say that the Mini does have more features overall. Also lighting up the stoves outside. I do notice that the Mini was a little bit easier to light when running the short flue stacks. I will point out though that the Mini does have battens that come installed across the top of the oven. And if you are running a flue stack that's any shorter than 20 feet, it's going to be super important to remove those battens. Look for our other videos because we do have a video showing you how to take those battens out. I really hope that this product overview comparison was helpful for you guys, that you enjoy it as much as I enjoy making them. Please don't forget that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.